please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm gonna open Flair Ultra baseball cards too. It comes with a sticker. $14 per. It has 4 cards per pack. And let's see what kind of treasure. Sometimes they want to fight me. I don't know. God, I should find scissors. All right. Oh, Cy Young winner. Rookie. Right lane. Yeah, he does. He did the broadcast for the playoffs this year. TBS. Robert Kelly used to be the first base coach for the Giants. Ray Bonds. Oh, they have some devil. Lee Smith, Hall of Famer. Was it Jesus? Spike Owens, right there. I just like the guy's name. I'm in love with a girl named Spike. Oh, Ricky Henderson with A's. Guy Gooden. Could be Hall of Famer. Sometimes these cards are hard. Yep, I got my microwave food ready for me. John Smokes. Look how young he is. Hall of Famer right there, boys and girls. Jeremy Holland. Used to be the Giants, Junior. Not sure. Oh, okay, cool. Bo Jackson. Good to have this card. Six out of 10. Again, repeat again. Repeat. Then again. Oh, it's gonna repeat. Oh god, the first pack and then the rest were just repeats. That's kind of funny. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.